guys, welcome to my channel. Today we will discuss how we can install Bitnami and how we can install WordPress. Then we will use WordPress. So if you are facing some issues in XAMPP or web servers, then I recommend that you should install Bitnami. It is the solution for all the problems. So Bitnami is very easy to install. There is no need to download WordPress separate, and then we have to integrate that WordPress to our XAMPP or web server. Simple, we have to install Bitnami. It will automatically install the WordPress. So let's get started. First, we have to go our browser. If you are using Chrome or Firefox, simple open it and start Bitnami. Here you can see it is Bitnami. We will click on install WordPress. Instead of going to their official website, it will become a bit mess. So we will click on install WordPress. Here you can see if you want to install it on Windows, Mac or Linux, you have to click it. If you want to use it in virtual machines like VMware or VM Oracle VirtualBox, then you can click on virtual machine. I will use it in my Windows, so I will click on it. It is already selected. Here you can select the Windows 64-bit, or you can select operating system XVM, or you can download it for Linux. For Windows and operating system XVM and Linux, their steps are exactly same, so don't worry. I will follow on Windows and you can follow on Linux and operating system or Windows, their steps are same. So let's get started. Simple, we have to download it. It is asking for sign in. I will sign in with my Google account. Here I have to accept the Bitnami terms and services and just click on accept. Yeah, here it is. Your app is downloading. It is about 251 MB. Start download. You can see it is about completion. As my internet speed is good, so it's downloading about 16 to 17 seconds. There are several benefits for Bitnami instead of using XAMPP or web server. The most benefit that I like very much is it is online. We can install themes and plugin directly from online server without downloading, and then we have to upload. So Bitnami provide online services. So here it is downloaded. So let's get started to install the Bitnami. Simple, we will go to the open folder where it is downloaded. As you can see, here it is. Just I will double click on it. Asking for yes or no. I will say yes. Yeah, it's get started to installation. Here we can select our language. You can select different language if you want. Simple, click on next button. Here you can see WordPress and PHP by admin. We have to select both because in future we may work in PHP by admin, so we will select both options. Next, here we can change the path if you want to change the path, but by default the same path is okay. I recommend that the C partition is enough for Bitnami. If you want to change, you can. Here it is. You have to remember this login and password because these fields will be required to log in our WordPress dashboard. So I will write here Teamstack. Here I will try Teamstack. Here username admin and password. Remember that we have to remember these admin and password, because if we forget this we will not be able to log in WordPress dashboard. Simple or next. Here we can rename our blog name or our website name. I will write Teams Tech. Do you want to configure mail support? If you want to, yes, you can select on Gmail, but I will not want any mail support. Instead, yeah. So I will click on next. Launch WordPress in the cloud with Bitnami. Yeah, next. It redirected us to this website, but we don't need any step for this website. So we just open, ready to install. Yeah, next. It is preparing to install. Our installation is started. It's very easy to install Bitnami instead of like Zap or WAMP. In Zap and WAMP we have to configure different files for installing WordPress. But in Bitnami we just have to click 3 to 4 steps and then we are able to install the WordPress directly. Moreover, we can easily install themes and plugins on WordPress online without any uploading or downloading that are a bit messy with Zap or WAMP. So it will take some time. Till then I pause the video. As you can see, the installation of Bitnami is almost completed. So we have to wait a little bit more. Until then, I want to share that I will make a course for WordPress learners, like if they want to design a website for different purposes, like an education website and blogging website or anything else. So I will teach everything in my upcoming videos. So stay connected with me. It is here we are. It is almost completed. So I was telling that I will make more videos in future. Here you can see a pop-up is generated with the name cmd.exe. We don't have to do anything. Here you can see it is configuring database for WordPress. In a few more moments, the installation will be completed and we will be able to visit our WordPress dashboard. There we will design different websites and install plugins like we can do in buyer's website directly from hosting. For learning, I always recommend Bitnami because it is free to use. Moreover, it is also free for errors like we face XAMPP or web servers of PHP or anything. So Bitnami is the best. It provides the same interface as the buyer provides us during our project if we get some order from Fiverr or Upwork or anything else. So Bitnami is the best for learning. Here we have to allow access. As you can see, it is saying that it is creating database. This may take a minute. Don't worry, it is taking a little bit time. So we just have to wait. I want to say that if you want anything in WordPress, so you can contact me in comment section. I will try my best to answer the query and provide the solution. Here we are. Launch WordPress package. Goodbye Bitnami. Yes. Market and finish. We just have to click on access WordPress. It will redirect us to the WordPress dashboard. Here you can see. Instead, sample page, it is our WordPress website. Now we want to log into our WordPress dashboard, so we will just write WP. Here you can see. Here we have to enter the username and password which we selected earlier. So I will write the same username and the password which I wrote before, because if we change the username or password, it will not log in. Let me show you. If I change the username like admin1, but I wrote the username admin. So if I write the wrong username, it will not log in. Let me show you. Yeah, it is not logging, you can see. So I have to write the correct username and password. Here it is. It is the same username and password which I wrote during the installation of Bitnami. I have to save this because I will use it for future use. Here you can see. It is the complete WordPress dashboard. There is nothing to worry. For example, like we have to worry for example, and web server we have to switch on different categories for their use. Here we can update. Let me show you how we can use it online. It is asking to update Jetpack plugin. It will be updated by online. You don't have to download first and then have to upload into our WordPress dashboard as we did in the web and web servers. So in a few moments you will see that it is updated online. But here we have to need only one thing, and that is internet. It is updating, and here you can open phpMyAdmin, open application folder, visit Bitnami, or you can also get support. So we don't need it, so I will close it. Here you can see Jetpack updated successfully. All updates have been completed. I didn't download it at first and upload it here. It's updated completely by online. So there it is. And in our next video, I will show you how we can design a website using Elementor, and then in our upcoming course, I will teach you how we can install different plugins from different websites, because some plugins are premium, so we can install them for learning in free of cost, and also we can use them in client website if the client needs them badly. I will also teach about Elementor. I will also teach about Viewer Builder plugin and different functionalities in WordPress and websites like pop-ups, headers, footer, etc. So stay connected with me. Till then, goodbye, take care, bye bye.